Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see how to fix yellow tint from your iPhone, or I would say that how to fix your iPhone display looking like a warm yellow color, not a normal bright white color. So let's see how to fix this. So guys, here the first solution what you can try is always disable low power mode. Whenever this happens, just go ahead, pull down your control center and just disable the low power mode from your iPhone. Or else go to settings, go to battery, and there is an option called low power mode. Just disable that. So whenever you enable low power mode on your iPhone, that time your iPhone goes into the battery consumption mode. That time it lowers the brightness or tints. Sometimes it tints your display to yellowish or low brightness. That time you can see the yellow tint on your iPhone display. That's the one point. Second thing what you can try, same thing, just go ahead, pull down your control center, and here if you see here is a brightness option, right? Just go ahead, hard press it, and here sometime unknowingly you must have enabled night shift on your iPhone. Whenever you enable night shift Whenever you enable night shift on your iPhone, that time instantly from evening 7 o'clock till the morning, your iPhone display or your iPhone screen becomes yellowish like a yellow tint. Just go ahead and disable that if it is enabled. And instantly, if you see, my screen color changed to bright white color. Okay, like that, you can see the difference as well. The third point, what you can see, check whether there is a auto brightness enabled on your iPhone or not. If you see, the auto brightness, like for example just search it, and here if you see on my iPhone it is enabled, so just go ahead and disable that. Sometime auto brightness plays with your iPhone display with the brightness lowers increases, that time the yellow tint or your warm display comes up. So try disabling that and try the solution as well. Also the last solution what you can see is, that is your check for your white point. Do one thing, go to settings. Okay, go to settings, and here now search for a white point. If you see white, okay, white point, you see, just go ahead, same option, go ahead, and here if it is enabled on your iPhone, instantly your iPhone display becomes a low brightness mode. Sometime that might be the issue as well. Just go ahead and just disable that, and here if you see the difference you can make out instantly. So try that as well. Otherwise still issue occurs, just go ahead and reboot your iPhone from here. Okay, reboot your iPhone, try that, as well as just go ahead and check for a software update. There might be a glitch or issue. So guys, this option you can try to fix the issue. I hope at least one of them will work for you and solve your issue. And lastly, if you like this video, if anything works for you, let me know in the comment below. Lastly, if anything works for you, please let me know in the comment below for the other users as well. Until then, thank you very much. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.